So this is the first job opening that we have. So this is a Gmail. So makes your like it's a scam award. So just authenticate from your side, right? This is a contact number on which you can ask for the job. So it's a game changer. Oh wow! They want a SOC L1, which is a process probably EDR, okay, which is again the part of SOC Center L1 freshers, right? And HR manager in Mumbai. These are the locations mentioned. L1 is in Pune, Mumbai, and ADR L1 is Delhi, Noida, Kanpur, right? So just choose accordingly what you would like to apply, and just and yeah, just confirm from this number if you want to hire what. Now the next opening is basically for a security specialist L1 at Edin Technologies company name. Position is L1 again. Shift is 6 p.m. to 2 p.m. हैं रात में काम करना है भाई देख लो experience is around 1 to 2 years experience is required and it's like you need to analyze on the Azure incident responding firewall Microsoft Defender Splunk. It's more into SOC kind of job, right? So you need to do all those things. And this is the mail careers at eden.com and subject L1 support is the subject line that you need to add security L1 and code HINA 12005. Next one is Gurukul. They are hiring Pune. Okay, SIEM implementation. This is for experience again. Okay, 7+ years of experience is required. 3+ years of experience is required. This is threat hunting and yes, kanchan.athawale@gurukul.com is the mail on which you go. Next one is in Juniper. Okay, so Juniper Network is a networking company. They want a support engineer, AC switch within JTAC team, who can strong technical expertise and a passion with solving skill. Full-time Bangalore-based job. Okay, and technical expertise is switching IP protocols, routing, multicast, enterprise networking, and data centers. BGP gateway is also there we need to work on. And this is a mail ahilwamat@juniper.net. So just check from that side. And now the next one is ZS is the company name. They want a product security engineer, right? And they want a senior product security engineer. 3 से 7 साल का experience चाहिए. They want web application pen testers, AWS cloud, security automation, DevOps. Pune with job role, and this is the pratik.nikhar@js.com, right? Now next one is associate security analyst. It's a remote job, right? So a lot of people are looking for a remote job, so you can join here. jessa@keystaffing.com is the mail on which you should drop your resume. Key qualifications will be all those things. Okay, relevant education, blah 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 blah, whatever. You can check it out here and apply accordingly. Now next one is someone want EDR analyst, right? L1 company name is Entity India Private Limited, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. कट्टे से सावधान, उत्तर प्रदेश. CTC 7 to 9 LPA job and 3 to 5 years experience is required. Minimum 3 years of experience is required. L1, which is probably the freshers, but again 3 years. L1 years analytics. Oh, whatever. Expertise in EDR, active CA certification is mandatory, and this is work from फेस वर्क फॉर ऑफिस. ठीक है, पुणे यूपी में रह के काम करना पड़ेगा इन कानपुर, राइट? Notice period is around 30 days, 9 LPA, including 5% variable. And interview are ongoing. This is the mail ID, which is a Gmail. Again, you need to authenticate it's of correct person or not. This is the contact number on which you can ask. Call करो, पूछे भाई सच में जॉब है कि नहीं. Tell yes, घुस जाओ, otherwise चले जाओ. Next one is Security HQ is the company. They want associate analyst for the department of CDC. They want a SOC associate. Guys, there's a lot of positions for SOC, but people are not getting hired because of the skills. So you can check out this URL viehgroup.com if you want to learn about SOC, if you want to get experience, if you want to get certificate. देखो क्योंकि 3 से 6 month का minimum certificate is required to get a job, right? This is where the people are lagging. So check it out. This is a freshers job Pune, Baner. Sakshi.kiti at securityhq.com is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? Next one is Airoli, Mumbai is the L3, which is probably the experienced folks. And check करो भाई, बड़ा लंबा है पढ़ने में, it will take a lot of time. Aswini.kalyani@ferry.com, and this is expertise in WAN, LAN, Wi-Fi network, all those things. Check it out and apply accordingly. Next one is IT assessment and security, where the three positions are there. 1 to 3 years of experience required. Freshers मतलब कुछ नहीं आता है वो मत आना भाई, तुम्हारे लिए नहीं है. Okay, if you want to learn about web application pen testing, because they don't want a fresher, 6 month का experience होना चाहिए. Check out this URL vihgroup.com/PCI, right? Mobile VAPT cloud pen testing, source code reviews, the knowledge which is required, right? Again, people are not getting hired. They said experienced people, freshers are not allowed because they want experience around 3 से 6 month का तो होना चाहिए. So you can check out this URL to get this kind of job, right? Mobile VAPT, cloud pen testing, and source code reviews, the domain in which you need to work. Prasam.pujari@matrix3d.com is the mail on which you need to drop your. नेक्स्ट वन इज अगेन SIM. भाई SIM के लिए जॉब भरा पड़ा है, लोग कहाँ है, लोग कहीं नहीं है, लोग नहीं आ रहे बिकॉज अगेन चेक आउट दिस URL vihgroup.com/SOC, बिकॉज SOC जॉब्स है बट लोग नहीं है, राइट? सो दे वांट अ एक्सपर्टीज. SIM QRadar. talent.msolution.com is the mail on which you copy your resume. Now next one is by walk-in hai. If you are in Chennai, just go on 24 to 31 or 24 and 31 May, right? There is an opening in Orisec. Again SOC L1 L2 L3. Again knowledge होना चाहिए तभी वो हायर करेंगे. For knowledge, I already told you, check out this URL vihgroup.com/SOC, right? If you want to get SOC job. HR Orisec.com. This is the location. Feather Light. The address is A block, 3rd floor, Iswariya Nagar, Nemilichi, Chirampet, Chennai, Tamil Nadu 600044. Right. So just apply accordingly. That's all, guys. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching.